Hello, today we will guide you through how to track wallets with GMGN AI. To begin, open GMGN AI in your browser and make sure you are on the main homepage. This is the starting point for navigating the platform, and from here you can access the wallet tracking and trading related tools that GMGN AI offers. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the top navigation is fully visible so you can follow along without missing anything. Once you are on the homepage, look toward the top of the screen and click on Copy Trade. This section is where GMGN AI organizes features related to following wallet activity and reviewing trader behavior. If you are new to the platform, this area can be especially useful because it helps surface accounts and activity patterns in a more structured way. After entering the Copy Trade section, click on Rank. This will bring you to the ranking view, where wallets or traders are listed in a way that makes them easier to browse and compare. The ranking page helps you quickly identify examples to inspect more closely, which is helpful when you want to start tracking a wallet without searching manually. Next, click on a sample entry from the list. In this walkthrough, the goal is simply to open one of the available wallet profiles so you can see how the tracking option appears. Choosing a sample entry is a practical way to understand the interface before working with any wallet you specifically want to monitor later. When the wallet page opens, find the track button and click it. This is the action that begins the process of following that wallet's activity. On GMGN AI, tracking a wallet allows you to keep an eye on its behavior more easily from within the platform, which can save time compared with checking details manually each time. Finally, click on Track again to confirm and check that the wallet is now being tracked. The second click acts as your verification step, helping ensure that the action has been applied successfully. After that, you should be able to recognize that the wallet has been added for tracking within the platform. As a quick tip, if something does not look exactly the same on your screen, it may be due to a small interface update or the page not fully loading yet. In that case, refresh the page and repeat the same sequence. Open the home page, go to Copy Trade, select Rank, open a sample wallet, and use the Track option. That's all it takes to start tracking wallets with GMGN AI.